Do you struggle to memorize your lessons? It's a common challenge, but the good news is, memorization isn't just about raw brain power. It's a skill that can be honed and enhanced with the right techniques. Developing your ability to memorize can open doors to academic success and make learning a more enjoyable experience. In this video, we're going to delve into 15 effective strategies that can help you transform the way you memorize. So, stay tuned to discover 15 ways to improve your memorization skills. Firstly, always make sure you understand the material before you try to memorize it. Comprehending what you're learning makes memorization meaningful, and it improves long-term retention. So dive deep, ask questions, and explore. Remember, comprehension first, memorization second. Secondly, use mnemonic devices to help remember details. These clever tools, like rhymes, acronyms, or visual associations, link new information to something already familiar, simplifying complex concepts. Just like a catchy jingle, they're easy to recall. Mnemonics can turn memorization into a fun and creative process. Thirdly, try using visualization techniques. Imagine a vivid mental picture or create a mind map to represent what you're learning. This could be a scene, a process, or a diagram. Visualizing information can make it more vivid and easier to recall. Fourthly, break down information into manageable chunks. This technique, known as chunking, helps our brains process and remember large amounts of information more effectively. By focusing on one chunk at a time, we can make the memorization process more manageable. Chunking can make large amounts of information more manageable. Fifthly, don't underestimate the power of repetition and review. The act of recalling information strengthens the memory trace. Regularly revisiting the material, especially at spaced intervals, can drastically improve recall over time. Repetition and review are key to reinforcing memory. Sixthly, use flashcards to test yourself. To create flashcards, jot down questions on one side and answers on the flip side. Regularly quiz yourself with these cards. This active recall strengthens memory retention. Flashcards can make self-testing easy and effective. Seventhly, form associations or analogies to link new and familiar information. This technique is about connecting new ideas to something you already know. It's like using mental shortcuts to make information more relatable and easier to recall. Associations and analogies can make new information more memorable. Eighthly, pretend to teach the information to someone else. This method, often referred to as the Feynman technique, pushes you to simplify concepts, revealing gaps in your understanding. It's a fantastic way to reinforce what you've learned. Teaching can reinforce your memory and deepen your understanding. Ninthly, write down the information in your own words. This technique of summarizing and paraphrasing forces your brain to process the information more deeply, enhancing your understanding and memory of the material. Writing can transform passive learning into active learning. Tenthly, engage multiple senses in the learning process. Try reading aloud while writing notes, or use motion during study sessions. By tapping into sight, sound, touch, and even movement, you're enriching your learning experience. Multisensory learning can make memorization more engaging and effective. 11thly, create a memory palace. This technique involves associating pieces of information with specific locations in a familiar setting, such as your home. By mentally walking through this palace, you can recall details more easily. A memory palace can make abstract information tangible and memorable. 12thly, ensure you get enough sleep. Sleep isn't just restful, it's a key player in memory consolidation. When you're asleep, your brain is busily processing and storing the day's information. So, skimping on sleep can hinder your ability to remember. Good sleep can enhance your memory and cognitive function. 13thly, keep your body active. Regular physical exercise is not just good for your muscles, but also for your mind. It can enhance cognitive function and memory. It's like a workout for your brain, strengthening it over time. Physical activity can contribute to overall brain health. 14thly, minimize distractions during study sessions. A quiet and focused environment can significantly aid memory formation. Whether it's turning off your phone or choosing a silent study spot, taking steps to reduce distractions can help maintain concentration and enhance memory. Last but not least, maintain a positive mindset. Stress and anxiety can cloud your memory, making it tougher to retain information. Consider calming practices like meditation or deep breathing. Remember, a positive attitude can make the memorization process more pleasant and productive. So, there you have it, 15 ways to memorize your lessons. From understanding before memorizing, using mnemonics and visualization, to staying physically active and positive, each technique offers a unique approach to enhance your memory. Don't forget to create flashcards, form associations, teach the material, and get adequate sleep. Try them out, mix and match, and see what works best for you. Remember, effective memorization is a skill that you can develop with practice. Happy studying!